Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your data. Back up everything you need because this reset will erase apps and settings. Once done, make sure the surface is charged or connected to power to avoid interruption. Now shut down the device, press and hold volume up, then press power briefly. Release both when the UEFI screen appears. You're in firmware settings, look for boot options. This is where you switch to recovery tools. That's the actionable doorway to the reset process. Once in UEFI, change the boot order only if you'll use a USB recovery drive. Otherwise, confirm that Windows recovery is enabled and exit. If the built-in recovery is corrupted, plug in a USB recovery drive made from another Windows PC. Restart and repeatedly tap the Surface key to access recovery, or from Windows sign in, select Power, hold Shift, and choose Restart then Troubleshoot. You'll see Reset this PC options. Pick Remove Everything for a clean state, then follow prompts to proceed. You're at the finish line. Select Remove Everything and decide between quick file removal or fully clean the drive for security. Confirm and start the reset. Don't interrupt power. The Surface will restart several times as Windows reinstalls. After it completes, go through initial setup and sign in. If you hit an error or the reset won't finish, try booting from a USB recovery drive and run the reset again. Or use the Surface Diagnostic Toolkit to check hardware and firmware before repeating the process.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.